Hi guys, simply AlRitch here. Welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I just want um, to share or like to inform you if to ask if you are experiencing the same. So this one I have set this video to premiere the 6 p.m. This is actually a new video that I have uploaded because if I go to that dollar, it's not showing the super chats and super sticker, but if you go to the video, it doesn't have a copyright issue actually. So I'm just a bit frustrated because as you can see, restrictions none. Okay, the monetization is turned on. Okay, and if I go to the super chats, I have turned it on. Okay, click this. Okay, super chats, it's turned on. So I don't know what happened, why this video doesn't have a super chat enabled. And actually this is the second I have uploaded the video to set as a premiere this 5 a.m. in the morning, and then I slept hoping that it will be fixed. And then I tried today to delete the old one and uploaded this new one, but still has this issue that there's no super chat, only join membership. So right now I'm trying to upload a quick one, so it and test if there's a super chat. So it's still checking. So I'm just going to pause this for a while waiting for it. So guys, so this is now done, this test. So as you can see, if you go to the dollar icon, it has super chat and super sticker. So my account is fine. It's just that I'm wondering why is is not it isn't showing for this premiere. Okay, sorry for the background noise. I have tried to remove the thumbnail that I have created and just use the thumbnail existing one from YouTube, and still the same. Okay, yeah. So I just used that one, and then I have tried to rename my title. Okay, let's try to rename why why okay, test bakit okay, oh my gosh. So this is a 14 minutes premiere. Hi, I'm so frustrated. So I really want to premiere this video with super chats. I guess I will just have to I can't wait. I don't want this video to be delayed. It's still us, and I've been looking to search for the support. There was like a support chat here where you can easily chat the YouTube support, but they're not here. So it seems like the YouTube support, where is it? This is only like that's what we can help. So this is like other. It will read. I turn super chat and includes. I can, so it redirects you to the, I can't send a super chat. This is like January 26, 2019 issue. So this will redirect me to the Google support page and not to the actual agent. I wanted to chat to an actual agent. Yeah. Okay, as you can see guys, oh, this is the test. This is, it has super chat, and this one, oh, I updated the title for just a quickly to see. So my account is fine. Okay, I'm going to add again my thumbnail. So I guess I will not have a super chat. I don't know, or if this is a short thumbnail. My thumbnail is fine. It is not R18 or something. My title is fine also. So this is the second one already that I uploaded. From YouTube. Okay, one more time. Let's try to check. Okay. Okay, I have actually replied to my friend because earlier the first video that I have uploaded, I accidentally made it to be published right away. So I uploaded this one, another one, but still has the same issue. So let me know guys if you're experiencing the same, or what YouTube, what's the problem here? So I guess we will just have last chapters later, because I want this to be premiered today really. Okay guys, so the option to get in touch with the support chat is this one. I finally get in touch with support chat, so let's try that one. Going to have a chat. Okay, get the channel URL. So guys, the support chat that I have to uh, make this available for anyone, but it turns out that it becomes join membership only button. So the buy now button is gone. So I think there's really a bug with the YouTube. There's something, yeah. Okay, this one is working fine. So I don't understand why it's not for this one. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, it's back here, but the super chat is not turned on. It's not showing like for this one. Let's see what's the reply of the support. So I'm just going to wait. Okay guys, it seems like it's really not working. She wanted me to just wait for the premiere to start, but I don't understand why it will not work. Why while the premiere is not yet live, because okay, let's click here. Still, because it is working like for your upcoming videos. For example, I'm going to show an upcoming premiere. The super chat is actually present and you can send a super chat right away. Let's try this here with another account. Okay. Okay, that's so as you can see, this is set to schedule on October 23, and let's check the super chat. Okay, I can send. It has a super chat and I can actually send a super chat even if the video is not yet live. This one has a super chat. So I don't understand why it's not working here. So I think there's really a bug. Okay, yeah. I'm going to send. I guess, I don't know. YouTube, please fix this problem. Okay, let's try to view it again. Still the same. So it's now gone. The buy now is gone. Okay, I was able to send a super chat here. I am so frustrated. So I guess that's it, guys. I just hope and pray that it will be okay. Tonight, the YouTube support left the chat. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening to my video. Hope the super chat will be okay on this video later on. Thank you.